Hello YouTube, welcome to Ashanti Everywhere. This is me entering Mercedes-Benz Stadium for Beyonce World Renaissance Tour. As you can see, the crowd is coming in droves. We have cowboy hats, cowboy boots, glitter, chrome fits, chrome hair. Ladies and gentlemen, in other words, the beehive is in full effect. Notice the clear bags. All bags must be no bigger than 6 inches and must be clear, as in see-through. Here's a tip: dress comfortable and travel light.
Look, more hats, and more hats. We out ye up, that way. Shout out to Migos, RIP Takeoff. It was really hot out here. If you sweat a lot, I suggest you bring a rag or a hand towel. I would have to say this concert is about 95% women, and I wasn't mad at all. Okay, I made it in. This is me moving through a sea of women on the way to my seat. I can't lie, I was tempted to just film the women, but I am a professional, not a creep. I digress. This was my very first time in the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, and I would have to say the experience wasn't bad at all. Moving along, did I mention the women? I'm in section 100, so up the escalator I go. But not before I take another look around. Beyonce have 3 shows here on this weekend, and I heard she brought in $9 million, and over $500 million to the city. To the right of the escalators you have your floor seats. Wristband required. Guess where I'm not going? You guessed it, that way. Oops, you all stuck. Start walking. Hello there, I guess this is where the party at. Say cheese, the crowd is getting thicker. I'm glad this show had a late start. To the left is the bar I will be visiting a few times this evening throughout the night. My seats should be right around this corner. The whole experience was really nice. I had no problem getting up for food and drinks, or returning to my seat. Beyonce's production is on a whole nother level. To see the show, please check out my channel, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.